Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. For your daily reading, we are picking few cards. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card, guys. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. That will come right after this reading. Don't miss on that reading, guys, because it's going to be a very elaborate love reading. So let's start with these cards first. It's the Moon, Knight of Pentacles in reverse, and Queen of Wands in reverse. Scorpios, with these cards for your daily energies, guys. In your situation today, it may be in your career or in your personal life, you are making some careless decisions, some things, some choices, maybe some immature decisions, and you are not responsible today. Maybe you may be stressed or you may be worried about something and you are not showing that responsible actions in your work or in your personal life. And maybe for some of you, you are just dreaming about your life, what you want to do in future, and you are living in your dreams, in your fantasy world, and you are not aware of your present situation, guys. So these dreams may obstruct the way you are today, way you live your life today. So you have to maybe give up those dreams. Maybe you may feel fear and anxiety because of your dreams. You may fear that these dreams may not come true, and you may feel fear because of that. But these illusions are not true, and you do not know that. You have that careless attitude about yourself and about your circumstance, maybe, guys. And though in this relationship or in your career situation, you hold an important position, you are in an important position, you have people working under you, and in this relationship you have love with this person and you may share that understanding with them. But there are few things that are not working out for you. Maybe your careless attitude, or maybe the way you live in your fantasy world. This person may feel that you are not honest, you are not you are not right, doing the right thing, and they may go against you. They may not like the way you are today, guys, Scorpio. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, guys. And some of them may even feel jealousy towards you, and they may feel that you are not focusing on them, you are not having any attention on them, guys, and they want your attention. That is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. And that is your daily reading. For your love reading, guys, you can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. I'll be picking 3 cards from each deck. So you can close your eyes, think of the questions you have in your relationship, and you can open and go to that pile, whichever you see first, guys, and make that choice and skip to the timestamp and watch that reading. I'll be giving the timestamp in the description. So this is your first pile and this is your second pile. So I'll be silent for a few seconds and we will start the reading right after that. Okay, guys, for those who have chosen the first deck, this is the first deck. We will start with this reading. So 3 cards from this deck patience, love. These cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. And one more card here for y'all. Six of Earth. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, for your love situation. This may be your energy or this may be your person's energy. You both love each other and you both feel that oneness and unity with each other because of that deep connection. Your clear communication may be the reason, and you have love for each other. That deep bond is there in this connection. And today you have to be quite patient, maybe in certain circumstances. If you are patient, if you are willing to hold yourself and go for moderations, all that you are dreaming for, all that you are wishing for yourself and in this connection, you will be able to reach it. So this person loves you and they want you in this connection, and the same way you want them. And but there may be certain circumstances trying to push you over the edge towards anger or some kind of quarrels, resentments, but you have to keep your emotions under check. If you do that, you will be really surprised how things will turn out, and you will see unexpected gifts and unexpected turn of events in this connection, guys. Maybe this person is planning to propose to you. They may come with gifts and proposal, or you may be planning this may be that person's energy. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love energy. So things are going in a very positive, beautiful way, but it is in your hands to wait for that good things to manifest. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this first deck. So let's see what are the cards with the second deck, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, this is the second card reading. Let us see what are the cards. I'll be picking 3 cards again from this deck. This is the first card, Four of Suns, Nine of Moons in reverse, and one more card here, guys. It's Five of Stars. With these cards, guys, the energy for your relationship, for those who have chosen the second deck. Today, maybe you have to be aware of what you communicate to this person. It may be a general energy or in this relationship, guys. So whatever you speak, you have to think clearly before you speak those words, because when you speak, the words spoken cannot be taken back. So sometimes if you remain silent, it will not affect your circumstance, but if some words spoken wrongly, it may affect the way certain things are in this connection, and you may have a few troubles because of that. And I also see that in this relationship, you would have, or they would have neglected you, or you would have neglected them. It may be something of your with your past person, someone who has been neglected by you, or they have neglected you, guys. So someone of that sort, they are coming back to visit you, maybe maybe make amends, if that is the circumstance was their mistake. They are coming forward to make amends, say sorry, and move on in life, forget that traumatic relationship they had. And also in this relationship, maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person does not know your worth and they do not respect you, they are humiliating you in some ways, and you may feel anxious and you may feel that things are not going well for you in this relationship, guys. But I also see that you are trying to overcome that, maybe your past hurt, or with this present person, all that negatives that you feel today. You may come to an understanding and you are trying to overcome that, and you may find a common ground between you both to work this relationship, and you are putting in your efforts, and that is what I see. And maybe you may get quite lucky today. Luck may be working and destiny may be helping you today in this connection. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.